Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by focusing on essentials and immediate practice. Learn how each piece moves and why that matters to control space. Once you know legal moves, set short drills, 5 minutes per piece, and play rapid 5-0 games to force decision-making. Make sure to memorize one simple opening idea for white and one for black. This lets you reach playable middle games. Start tracking simple errors so you can fix patterns quickly, and keep each session short but deliberate. Once done with basics, deepen your skill by combining tactics and long-term thinking. Solve tactical puzzles and then immediately play them out to see patterns in real games. Make sure to study pawn structures and how they influence piece plans, because strategy grows from pawn placement. Alternate puzzle days with endgame drills. Practice king and pawn versus king, then rook endings, to convert advantages. Keep reviewing games to understand why moves succeeded or failed, not just which moves were made. You complete improvement cycles by reviewing and adjusting. Analyze 3 recent games and note repeat errors, lost material, missed tactics, or bad end games, and prioritize them in your next week. Then implement a balanced routine. Play longer games, study targeted lessons, and solve puzzles. If progress stalls, slow down with longer time controls and ask for focused feedback from a stronger player or coach. This will reveal blind spots. Finally, repeat the loop and track measurable gains so you keep improving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.